Central Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Decatur, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar-sign hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles possible. Locations impacted include Plano, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, The Colony, Corinth, Highland Village, Lake Dallas, Sanger, Lake Louisville, Little Elm, Crum, Argyle, Hickory Creek, Justin, Double Oak, Shady Shores, and Aubrey. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 478. Interstate 35W between mile markers 75 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 447 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas.